Hi guys, welcome to exam pad. In today's class we are going to solve this problem and also learn how to handle these types of problems. So let's begin with the solution. So first we need to know the relation between the numbers and also know the multiples of each numbers. So first we need to check what are the multiples of this number. So 400 which is equal to 20 square, we know that. Similarly, we need to know what the relation between 361. So for that 361, so I am going to take square root 1 into 1, so remaining is 261. So I am going to multiply that with 2, so it has a longer difference. So I am going to check with 9, so 29 into 9, 261. So 9, 261. So obviously we found that 361 which is equal to 19 square. Okay. So then if you see here, if we add these two, I will get 39. Is it? 39 which is equal to, add these two, 20 plus 19. So just make into a variable. So here I am going to assume certain things. Before that I am going to apply these values here. So therefore question is root 400 square plus 361 square plus 39 power 4 by 2 which is equal to the square root of 400 is 20 square. So 20 square the whole square plus 361 is 19 square. So 19 square the whole square plus this 39 can also be written as 20 plus 19. So 20 plus 19 the whole power 4 by 2. Okay. So now I am going to assume A is equal to 20 and B is equal to 19. So apply that in this equation. Therefore this becomes G is equal to square root of here A square the whole square plus B square the whole square plus A plus B the whole power 4 by 2. Okay. So we know that A power m, the whole power n can also be written as A power m into n. So we apply this here. A square the whole square can also be written as A power 2 into 2 which is equal to A power 4. Similarly, B square the whole square which is equal to B power 2 into 2 which is equal to B power 4. Similarly, we need to find the equivalent for A plus B whole power 4. So I am going to take A plus B whole power 4. This can also be written as A plus B the whole square. So based on this formula. So if we multiple these two, I will get 4. So we can also write like this. So therefore which is equal to A plus B whole square formula is A square plus B square plus 2AB square. So which means we can able to write this as A square plus B square plus 2AB into A square plus B square plus 2AB. Is it? So now I am going to multiply individually. A square into A square, A power 4, A square into B square plus A square, B square plus A square into 2AB, 2A cube B. Okay. Plus B square into A square, B square plus B square into B square, B power 4 plus B square into 2AB, 2A is there, B square into B is B cube, right? So plus 2AB into A square, 2A into A square is A cube B plus 2 into 2AB into B square is 2AB cube plus 2AB into 2AB 4A square B square. So now we are going to add everything. So A power 4 plus A square B square, A square B square, 4A square B square. 4 plus 1 5 plus 1 6. So 6A square B square. plus 3a cube b, sorry 2a cube b, 2a cube b become 4a cube b plus 2ab cube, 2ab cube becomes 4ab cube plus b power 4. So now we found it as a plus b the whole power 4 is equal to this value. So now I am going to apply, substitute this and this and this in this equation. So a square the whole square can also be written as a power 4. So therefore which is equal to, so which is equal to, I am going to write here root of a power 4 plus b power 4. A power 4, a plus b whole power 4, we found the answer, right? So just substituted answer here, a power 4 plus b power 4 plus 6a square b square plus 4a cube b plus 4a b cube, okay, divided by 2. So which is equal to, so a power 4, it has 2, so 1 plus 1, 2. 2a power 4 plus 2b power 4 plus 6a square b square plus 4a cube b plus 4a b cube divided by 2. So if we see here 2 is common in each term, so I am going to take that out 2. If I take 2 out, so remaining is a power 4 plus b power 4 plus 3 2s are. So if 2 taken out, remaining is 3. 3a square b square plus 2a cube b plus 2a b cube. Okay, divided by 2. This 2 and this 2 get cancelled. Therefore, which is equal to the square root of a power 4 plus b power 4 plus 3a square b square plus 2a cube b plus 2a b cube. Okay, so now what I am going to do is, which is equal to, I am going to split this as 2 plus 1 of a square b square. Then this becomes a power 4 plus b power 4, 2 into a square b square plus a square b square plus 2ab is common, so take that out, 2ab. So remaining is a square, here b square. Okay, so here I did 2 corrections, that is I am going to split this term and write like this, and I am going to take 2ab out, so remaining is a square, here remaining is b square, so we did here. So if we see here, this is in the format of a square the whole square, b square the whole square, 2 into a square b square. This is in the format of a square plus b square the whole square plus a b the whole square. So individual square becomes a single square. So 2ab into a square plus b square. So here I am going to assume another thing. So in order to simplify that, x is equal to a square plus b square and y is equal to ab. So just substitute that in this equation. Therefore this becomes the square root of x square plus y square plus 2 into y into x. So xy. So this formula is a square plus b square plus 2ab, which is equal to what? A plus b the whole square. So therefore this can also be written as x plus y the whole square. X plus y the whole square. The square and root get cancelled. Therefore which is equal to x plus y. So from this x value is what? A square plus b square plus y value is what? ab. So this is what we get finally. So initially what we assumed, a is equal to 20 and b is equal to 19. Is it? So just substitute that value here. Therefore, which is equal to 20 the whole square plus 19 the whole square plus 20 into 19. 20 the whole square is 400. 19 the whole square we already found that as 361 plus 20 into 19 is 380. So if we add everything, 400, 361, 380. 1, 2, 4, balance 1, 7, 10, 11. So the answer for this question is 1141. So this is the final answer. Therefore, the answer for this complicated sum is G is equal to 1141. So please keep remember this in mind. So practice twice and twice, you will get a perfect answer. Have a nice day. Bye bye.